Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G62 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, open Settings and choose Connected Devices. Now you need to click on Connection Preferences and then select Printing. Over here, you can click on the footprint service right away and wait. Your device is looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. If you wish to select a different print service, you need to tap on this switcher. Then click on the back button and tap on Add Service. Now install the best one for you, in my case HP one. And when it's ready, select the back button twice. Lastly, just click on your service and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!